Okay, this is a 2008 Jeep Wrangler JK, and as you can see on the bumper, we got that fuel spill issue from the fill tube, and we're going to look at replacing it today. So we got the car jacked up, and I'm going to show you where that filler tube is. So we go under the differential and the axle, slide up in here, and I have both of them in here. The old one is still in place. You can see the two zip ties right here and here. The connector end is there for the filler tube, and the other end is right here for the fuel tank. And this is just the part that you can see that's different, oops, because it actually has the backflow preventer inside of it. So let's take her apart and get this guy out of here to put this one in. So the first part is a little difficult with this camera and one-handed, usually. This pipe clamp with this stubby screwdriver. Loosen that up. That ought to do it. So now with the pipe clamp loosened on the filler tube going into the gas tank, right there, we're now going to move underneath and spin around and have another look this way. So here's the filler tube, and there's the pipe clamp we just loosened going into the gas tank, and then we come over here along the tube there, and right there is the other one we have to get, and you need a little stubby because of this guy being in the way. So we have to get that clear so we can loosen that. I'm not going to videotape this because it is too difficult, but you get the idea. So now with that second clamp there loosened up, need to snip these two zip ties to free it from this line so we can get the actual filler tube off of there. Snip and done. Alright, so now we remove those, and then we should be able to pull this off the gas tank end. Let's see if we can pull her off. Relatively easy and dry because it's downhill from where we needed to be. The tank is not full, so let's see. This one's a little trickier, so I'm going to use two hands on this one. So there's the old one removed and the new one beside it. They are relatively the same length. We just have to make sure that we get the right end in. It's easy because the tank side, or tank end, is larger diameter than the fill end. I'm going to put that in place and tighten her up. Should be all set. So there she is, installed from the filler end. A couple of zip ties, I'll probably replace them with black ones later, to the fuel tank. All in all, about a 20-minute job. No more overspill.